Ethereum was created to enable developers to build and publish smart contracts and distributed applications, also known as dApps, that can be used without the risk of downtime, fraud, or interference from a third party. Ethereum describes itself as the world's programmable blockchain. It distinguishes itself from Bitcoin as a programmable network that serves as a marketplace for financial services, games, and apps, all of which can be paid for in Ether and are safe from fraud, theft, or censorship. Welcome back to another episode of Cryptology. Make sure to subscribe to the channel now so you can never get left behind with any of our breaking news or unmissable content. Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum, and its own programming language called Solidity. As a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use applications on the platform and use its Ether cryptocurrency as payment. Insiders call the decentralized applications on the network dApps. As a cryptocurrency, Ethereum is second in market value only to Bitcoin as of May 2021. Ethereum's founders. Ethereum was launched in July of 2015 by a small group of blockchain enthusiasts. They included Joe Lubin, founder of Consensus, a blockchain application developer that uses the Ethereum network. Another co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, is credited with originating the Ethereum concept and now serves as its CEO and public face. Buterin is sometimes described as the world's youngest crypto billionaire. He was born in 1994. The Ether cryptocurrency was designed to be used within the Ethereum network. However, like Bitcoin, Ether is now an accepted form of payment by some merchants and service vendors. Overstock, Shopify, and Cheap Air are among the online sites that accept Ether as a payment. Separately, Ether is a contender in the highly volatile cryptocurrency market. As of May 2021, Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency based on value, after Bitcoin, of course. Ethereum-based projects. Ethereum claims its platform can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. A number of projects are underway to test the concept. Microsoft is in partnership with Consensus to offer Ethereum blockchain as a service, known as eBaaS, on the Microsoft Azure cloud. It is intended to offer enterprise clients and developers a single-click cloud-based blockchain developer environment. In 2020, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Consensus announced a joint venture to create a network of data centers built on the Ethereum infrastructure. The founders of Ethereum were among the first to consider the potential of blockchain technology for uses beyond the secure trading of virtual currency. Its ETH cryptocurrency was created primarily as a medium of payments for apps built on its platform. Its invulnerability to hackers and other snoopers has opened up possibilities for the storage of private information from healthcare records to voting systems. Its reliance on cryptocurrency opened up opportunities for programmers to create and market games and business applications on the network. As of May 2021, Ethereum was the second largest virtual currency on the market, behind only Bitcoin. The number of ETHs or ETHs in circulation crossed the 100 million marks back in 2018. Unlike Bitcoin, there's no limit to the number of ETHs or ETHs that can be created. Ethereum is currently undergoing a long-awaited upgrade known as Ethereum 2.0, which is intended to allow the network to scale up while addressing congestion problems that have slowed it down in the past. So what is Ethereum in simple terms? Ethereum, like any blockchain, is a database of information that is designed to be unhackable. Ether, or ETH, is the cryptocurrency used to complete transactions on the blockchain. Unlike its traditional database, information in a blockchain is organized as a chronological chain made up of blocks of data. For instance, every transaction using an Ether coin must be verified and recorded as an additional block on that coin's unique blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain stores more than just records for Ether currency. It allows software developers to create games and businesses application called dApps and market them to users. Those users want to take advantage of the relative lack of risks that come with the storing sensitive information on the World Wide Web. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about Ethereum. If you know anything we haven't mentioned, get involved, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Cryptology and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases.